Hello everyone, and welcome to today's vlog. I'm here in the beautiful Ishikawa Prefecture, which is located along the coast of the Sea of Japan. If you've never heard of Ishikawa, it's a region known for its rich culture, stunning landscapes, and incredible history. But today, we're going to dive into something particularly special, winter in Ishikawa. With the snow blanketing the streets and covering the rooftops, it's truly a winter wonderland here. Now, for those who don't know, Ishikawa Prefecture is famous for its incredible natural beauty, with places like Kanazawa, its capital city, and the gorgeous Noto Peninsula. But when winter rolls in, something magical happens. The entire region transforms into a winter paradise, making it the perfect place for snow lovers, photographers, and anyone who loves the serene quiet that comes with a snowy landscape. As you can see, the snow here is simply mesmerizing. Every step I take feels like I'm walking through a real-life postcard. The silence, broken only by the crunch of snow beneath my boots, makes it feel like time slows down here. Ishikawa Prefecture is located in a region where heavy snowfalls are common, especially from December to February. This is thanks to its unique geography, where the warm, moist air from the Sea of Japan meets the cold air from the interior mountains. And that's what creates these heavy, fluffy snowfalls that we're experiencing today. Another thing that makes winter in Ishikawa special is the snowfall itself. Unlike some places where the snow is light and powdery, here, it tends to be thick, wet, and heavy, which means that the region gets some of the heaviest snowfalls in all of Japan. This can be both a challenge and a charm, as it transforms everyday life but also creates an atmosphere of warmth and togetherness. But what's really interesting about winter here in Ishikawa is how the snow affects daily life. For the locals, snowfall is not just a beautiful scene, it's a part of life. The roads, buildings, and even fields are blanketed, and everyone has to be prepared for it. Take a look at this. Residents here have to shovel snow regularly, and it becomes a community effort. Everyone pitches in to clear the streets and walkways. It's not just about keeping things accessible, but it's also about ensuring safety for everyone in the area. In fact, snow removal is something that's prioritized in many rural areas of Ishikawa, especially in the Noto Peninsula, where heavy snow can sometimes cause travel disruptions. Another aspect of winter here that you'll notice is how the snow affects the local transportation systems. Roads are often cleared quickly to ensure that traffic keeps moving, even when there's a heavy snowfall. If you're driving, you'll notice that the snowplows are constantly at work, ensuring that people can get from point A to point B safely. It's a testament to how well prepared this region is for winter. As we continue walking through these snow-covered streets, it's easy to appreciate how the blend of nature and tradition creates a truly unique atmosphere. Ishikawa, with its snow-capped trees and old wooden houses, feels almost timeless. The contrast of the modern with the historic gives the prefecture a charm that's hard to find anywhere else. The snow here also adds a layer of beauty to the crafts and culture of the region. From the famous kagyus and silk dyeing technique to the intricately designed ceramics, Ishikawa's artisans are inspired by the snow, which is reflected in their work. Every item carries a story of the land and the seasons, making them perfect souvenirs to take home. Walking down these narrow lanes, I'm passing by these traditional wooden homes, some of them centuries old. They're all built to withstand the harsh winters, with steep roofs that curve like a protective hug against the heavy snow. It's interesting to think about how these structures have stood the test of time, weathering so many winters just like this one. As I walk a little further, I come across a small shrine tucked away under the snow-covered trees. It's quiet, almost sacred, and the only sound is the soft crunch of snow beneath my boots. I stop for a moment to take it all in, the serene stillness, the snow-covered branches, the distant mountains. It's a reminder of the deep connection this place has with nature, how the land shapes the people here, and how everything is in harmony, even in the coldest of seasons. If you're someone who loves nature and wants to experience the peaceful side of Japan, Ishikawa is a must-visit. Getting here from Tokyo is pretty easy too. Just take the Hokuriku Shinkansen from Tokyo Station, which takes about 2.5 to 3 hours, or if you prefer, a flight from Tokyo to Komatsu Airport, which is just a short drive away from the heart of Ishikawa. Trust me, once you're here, it's a winter paradise you won't want to leave.
Lover with you, love with you, feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, every moment just me and you. Every day you're shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Lover with you, love with you, feel so true, feel so new.
But before we wrap up, there's still so much more to discover here in Ishikawa. Just around the corner from where we are, there's a historic village that looks like it came straight out of a fairy tale. It's called Gokuyama, and it's known for its traditional gashozukuri houses, the ones with those steep thatched roofs designed to withstand the heavy snowfalls. It's a place that feels like stepping back in time, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. If you get the chance to visit, it's like another level of winter magic. And while we're talking about history, Ishikawa is also home to Kanazawa Castle, which is particularly stunning in winter. The contrast of the white snow against the dark, imposing castle walls creates a striking sight. Walking around the castle grounds when it's covered in snow feels like you're stepping into an ancient story. And nearby, the Kenrokuen Garden, one of the most famous gardens in Japan, turns into a winter wonderland as well, with trees delicately wrapped in snow, creating picture-perfect moments around every corner. It's incredible how, even though winter can be tough, Ishikawa manages to embrace it with such grace. It's a place where traditions stay alive, whether it's through the architecture, the arts, or the food. And there's this sense of community, like everyone is in it together, braving the cold but finding ways to celebrate the season.
Every moment just me and you.
Well, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you've enjoyed exploring Ishikawa's winter wonderland with me. If you've ever wanted to experience the beauty of Japan's snowy side, Ishikawa should definitely be on your list. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and leave a comment if you've ever been to Ishikawa or if you're planning to visit. Stay warm, and I'll see you in the next one.